Hey YouTubers, so we've got a Discovery, I believe it's 4, could be a 3. Now I'm just going to show you, this is going to be imported over here into Spain. So I'm going to show you how to take the headlights out of it and change the beam pattern from kicking up on the left, and it just makes it a flat pattern. And also it's really helpful if you've got to change any of your front light bulbs, which are in the headlight cluster. Just makes life so much easier rather than trying to be a contortionist to get your hands around up inside the headlight from the back. Hope you enjoy the video. I've done this one, but I'm going to show you the process that I use because I thought it may help you out. So this is kind of what we're faced with. Obviously bonnet's open. So these little clips here, push down, give them a little wiggle, don't force them because you'll end up breaking them. Someone's out, they're coming out now, and then you notice that your grill's like that. Now you need 2 hands, so bear with me. So you get the hand that leads on the bottom of the grill, and it says give it a yank, there we go, and it pulls it out, but it sits on these lugs. There's one in the middle there. Right, that's the grill out now. So we're getting there. Next thing to do, headlights out. So, I've got a screwdriver here, or can I use my hands? We've got a little tab there, and we've got another little tab there. Let's get some light on the subject. So one there, one there. Can I find any metal in this thing? There we go, we've got some metal going on. I like this. And these tabs, you pull up, that one. Sometimes you need a screwdriver behind them. I might need a screwdriver behind that one. But bear with me, grab a screwdriver. See what I'm doing on this one? There. Just a little screwdriver in, give it a little wiggle until it comes up. Same with the other one. And you've got to kind of get them to the loose, excuse me. So they don't come all the way up. You've got to kind of find, I think there's a mark in there somewhere, but this one's a little bit that one's out. Now this one is almost out. There we go, so that's free now. So when they're like that, it allows the headlight to come out. Because basically, let's see if I can pull one of these out. Maybe not. Basically, there's that hole there, which that locates onto, and there's a hole down there that when you, or an oval I'd imagine, when you close it down, just locks into that. So headlights out now. And behind this, you will find a multi-plug just down here. Easy to take out. Push the little tab down and give it a wiggle. That's the multi-plug out. And that's the back of your headlight, so that's where the multi-plug fits in. Now, in here, I did notice this one wasn't all that clever, but it did do the job when I changed it. Put that away, and then we can have a look, see. Here's zoomed in a little bit. Now behind this wire, lift up, you can see a little black handle almost. Get this out of the way. Right. There's that screwdriver. I point to it rather than with my sausage fingers. So it is here. Little black handle here. So at the minute, the levers are down, so that it takes the left-hand kick up out. So for Europe, you need the lever down on this particular light, and for the UK, you need the lever up, I believe. And it's as simple as that. And obviously, changing your bulbs, you can get to them all now without trying to get your hands in tiny spaces. So it's pretty straightforward, and refitting is reversal, and I'll show you that in a sec. Right, now we can refit it. So basically we do the same. I want to install the 16 pin, I believe it's 16 pin multi-plug, and that is just push on way to the clicks. That's the click. Now you wiggle the headlamp unit into place carefully. And make sure it all lines up nice. No need to use any force because it will go in. It says, come on. That's that one. That one. And these are a bit sticky because it's a UK vehicle. And as you can imagine, UK vehicle, it's really sure that like UK vehicles get corrosion where that was concerned. Now all we've got to do is refit the grill. It's straightforward. Line up the bottom lugs, line up the top lugs, push the bottom lugs in, and push the top lugs in. And that's the job, simple as that. Make sure your headlights work. Well, I hope you found that little video helpful, just so you could adjust your beam pattern. Only takes a couple of minutes, so if you're going to Europe, not a problem. They're not all the same as these, but a lot of them are, so this particular model. But yeah, simple, and if you need to change headlight bulb or whatever, easy as that. Pop the headlight grid off, headlight out. It takes a lot less time than trying to get your hands in the little opening and then change the bulb from there. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.